Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and the first way to check the amount of steps taken is on the watch face. Some of the watch faces display that info, for example this one does. And if you don't see the steps on your watch face, you can open the watch face menu and look for the watch face that displays that information. Some of them for sure will, and here we have it. The other option way to check the amount of steps taken is to swipe left on the home screen to open the widgets or tiles, and basically scroll until you see this one, the activity tile, and here we have the steps taken. You can also tap on this tile. It will open the activity app. Here you can tap on start, select the main indicator. You have steps or calories. I'm gonna select steps and then tap on the check mark or other arrow. Then you can set up the goals for your steps and then tap on check mark to confirm. And now you should see these steps right here. You have the calories as well, stairs and stuff like that. So you have more stats if you tap on the activity tile or widget. And the last way to check the amount of steps taken is to do it through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So you can bring the phone that is paired with your watch, open the Zepp application on it. Let me zoom out the camera. Okay, we can open the Zepp application. And in the app you can tap on home, or if you're on the home page already, scroll down and look for the steps. And here we have the daily goals, and you can tap on the step counter. And here we have the daily progression, weekly, monthly and yearly progression. So you can check a lot of stats. And of course, once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.